Introducing the 2012 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, dual zone AC. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.